Now we use the K518 Pro. Program Smart Key for the 2020 to Chery Tiggo 8 Plus. Now I have 2 keys in my hand. This one with the shell. This is the original car key. The black one is the new key. Now we can program them. Let's program these keys. Select IMO and remote. Choose Chery, select from type PIN code. The first step is to read the PIN code. Read PIN of autonomous IMO. If the vehicle is in sleep mode, we can turn on the hazard lights. You can also press the start button. You can also open the doors to activate the car. Then read the PIN code. Confirm. Okay, the PIN code has been read successfully. Continue. Now, let's proceed key programming. Choose Chery, select from vehicle, Chery, Tiggo series, Tiggo 8 Plus. Choose the Tiggo 8 Plus. Select Smart Key. There are 4 menus. 1. Program new key. 2. Program old key. 3. Delete smart key. 4. Reset immobilizer. We can delete smart key. The PIN code is automatically filled in. We can remove keys one by one. You can also delete all keys. We remove all the keys now. Successfully deleted. We can't use our old car key now. The original car key cannot start the car now. The remote's not working right now. You see, we press the start button, hit the brakes. The car doesn't respond. Though the dashboard is on. But the steering wheel won't move. I can't put the car in gear. No response. Though the dashboard is on. But the car isn't actually activated. Okay, now our keys have been cleared. After clearing, we'll program these 2 keys to the car. Okay, we choose this one. Program new key. Program old key is also available. Okay, we have a smart key for this car. Please take the keys that need to program. Put it in the sensing area. Where's the sensing area? It's behind our glove box. In the glove box behind the gear stick. There's a sensing area here. Then we put the original key in here. Okay, put it in and click OK. Make sure the PIN code is automatically filled in. Okay, program complete. Original car key. Turn off the ignition. Okay. Now we're gonna take this new key, program it, too. We also put new key here on this induction coil. And then we choose to program the new key. Click OK. OK. The PIN code has been automatically filled in. Program complete. Click OK. Now let's test this new key. Lock. Unlock. Original car key. Lock and unlock. Now we'll take the original key out of the car. Just put this new car key in the car. Now let's see if we can start up properly. Hit the brake and push the start button. Okay, now we can move the steering wheel. The immobilizer light on the dashboard is gone. Alright, now we're gonna take this new key out of the car. Bring in the original car keys. Let's try the original car key. Put the original car keys in the car. Same way we turn off the ignition. Okay. I can't move the steering wheel. Now we step on the brake. Press the start button. Okay. Start up normally. Programming the 2020 to Chery Tiggo 8 Smart Key with the K518 Pro is successful.